Why is it so cold in here? I shouldn't have worn a robe to bed. I'll just wear an older sis's sweater. I'll put the robe here. I'm just gonna go to bed now. 2 hours later. Right now is midnight. Why is it so cold? Everyone's sleeping. What time is it? I'll check my iPad. Oh my god. It's 12 a.m. It's the next day. I'm just gonna go here. God, it's so cold. I don't know why am I going here, but it just feels so cold. I can color here, but that's gonna be super cold. It's gonna go up to Mom and Dad house to school. Alright, I'm here. It's so cold. Like guys, right now I'm sick, so like I might be talking quietly, so I might risk sound in like CapCut. Dada, what are you doing? No, I'm gonna ask you, why are you still awake? Well, it was so cold and I just got too scared, so I came up here because I was so cold. Oh my gosh. I'll take you to Mommy. Okay, follow me. Okay. His dad has to do some work. He has to research and stuff. Okay? Okay. Anyways, it's so cold. Ugh, it's so cramped. Fine. Just go the other way. It's so cramped. Oh no. Ugh. Okay. Mommy. Oh my god. Oh sweetie, what happened? I'm so cold. Oh, nothing to be worried about. Are you cold? Well, I came up because I was so scared. Cause I woke up in the middle of the night. I shake the time, and then after that, it was so cold for some reason. I just wanted to come to Mom and Dad because it was so cold. Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Okay, Mom and I are here for you. Dad, I just have to do some work. Okay, you can draw really quick over there. But, oh, you wanna sit next to Gypsy? Yeah? Okay. I just have to, baby, I'll try for to fall asleep. Fall asleep, I'll try. I'll try, fall asleep. Now she's so fast asleep. Whoa, are you sure you can go alone downstairs back to your room? Yeah, I can, Mom. I'm a big girl. Okay, if you say so. If you need anything, me and Dad will be here. I'm just gonna sit here, okay? And see if you need any help. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. don't want to go outside and explore. So I'm gonna go. This is so cool. Everywhere there's snow. The problem is, it's so cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I almost fell in. That's so scary. Whoa. The city looks so pretty from up here. Wow. Although it's cold, maybe I can stay over here and I can sleep here. I love that idea. But there could be some side effects. I could become really cold. I guess I have to go to the room. It is really cold. Oh no, I got footprint. It's gonna drown my feet on this thing, I guess. Just go back to. Let's go back. Alright. Let's go back in. Just gonna go to bed. Alright. Oh, why does it feel so cold? Take off my bonnet, but why is it so cold? Let's just check the time really quick. Where's my phone? Wait, where's my phone? I'll just check the, oh, here. Oh my god. It's 1 a.m. No wonder it's so cold. My blush is turning white. What? It looks kind of cool. Anyways, it's fine. Okay. Turn this off. I'll put it here again. It's kind of cold. I can't. Don't mind. This, I don't know why this is there. Don't mind some characters, guys. Oh, this is kind of cold. I guess I can wear this. I basically don't have anything else anyways. So I'm just gonna wear this. Oh, why did I have to sneeze at this time? Why is it so cold? Oh, God. Oh. No, but especially, oh my god, I'm just gonna go to bed. The next day. Now it is raining. Oh, it's raining. I guess it's time to wake up. Okay, what should I wear for today? I think I just be a chill at home with cozy PJs. I'm thinking that, so let me just actually get a new one. I'm just gonna make one and then it'll disappear. Alright, time to make one. Alright, I'm on my phone. Now it's time to do a cozy one. I'm gonna use this for the undershirts. I'm gonna go for like a really cozy approach. I want like a crazy oversized, like not crazy, but like a big oversized. I will get some shorts, I guess. These. I can get some socks, but I don't need anything really else, so. I'm sorry guys, this is my digital pad on my phone. That's basically it. There's nothing else I'll just put on some gloves. This looks kind of cozy. I guess it's good. Alright. I got my clothes. Really not bad, not the best, but it's pretty cozy. It's kind of morning-ish. Well, it is morning, so makes sense that is kind of like early. I'm just going to brush my teeth, I guess, because I'm having like a sore throat right now, so I think that would kind of help. If I take this would definitely help me with my sore throat. Oh, that's good. That's actually so much better now. Just gonna move on. It's fine. Should I put a face mask on? No. I think I'm basically ready. It's just really cold. I guess I can watch a movie, but I'll just go on my phone, I guess. I like to go on my phone here. Open the door. In there. Oh, it's morning now. It's so cold. I guess I'm actually gonna wear an outfit. I'll wear this. It's cute enough. Gonna get these glasses on. I look pretty cute. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait. Actually, I forgot to brush my teeth. Okay. Oh. Guys, I actually feel so sick right now. I'm gonna cough, but it's okay. Oh wait, help! Why does this actually look like you're brushing your teeth? Alright, I'm done. Ugh, because this is the toilet, so it kills me. Alright, if you see it's gonna wash my hands over here. Guys, she's gone. Oh my god. I wonder why is this not on Sissy's desk. Put that heat right there again. I kind of want to put this on. It will help me with the cold. Alright. My neck. I speak too much. Oh. Hold on. Good morning. Yeah, it's so cold, Sissy. Have you noticed? Yeah, it's raining. It's so cold. It was snowing last night. I know. Tell me, did you wake up in the middle of the night with me? Yeah, I woke up at 11. Huh? You woke up before me? And then I woke up at 12. You woke up at 11? Yep, I did. Come on, Lucas. Gotta be kidding me. Yep, I'm not. Ugh. Was that his coughing? Just gonna ignore that. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, finally it's morning. Hi, brats. They don't call us rats, but okay. I'm just looking for a new outfit, bro. I literally have no outfits to wear. Oh, this one, my favorites. Alright, get ready to sit down. Hey, why are you so mean? Well, I'm not. I'm just being me. I'm just being sly. Ugh, so cold, bro. Jerry. Why in the world did I say Jerry? Okay, that is literally so good, bro. Guys go on TikTok like always. You always going on TikToks is why you always going on TikTok? Because it's slay and it's so addicting. I love it. I'm just gonna play on your laptop. Yeah, like I even care. What? Well, watch this. Oh, I feel even more sick. Just gonna scroll my phone and watch YouTube. I don't know what else to do. Just gonna, you know what? Just maybe I can just so feel better. Just want some skincare. Usually skincare always makes me feel more better. Last thing is these, and that should be good. If you want happier, except for the coughing parts. But I'm happy now. What was it? I guess I should take some medicine, but it's one of my favorites. Alright, oops. I guess I can do something, but we haven't not have breakfast yet. We haven't have breakfast yet, so I'm just gonna quickly go into my shoes. There's some shoes here, so I'm gonna get some shoes on. Well, I mean slippers. Alright. I can wear Okay, I will. I'll also bring my blankets. Yeah. So I'm just going to go. Alright. Time to go. Away from Wanda. Alright, so, hi Dad, hi Mom. Oh, hi baby Archer. And hello Gypsy, I love you. And hi Dad, hi Mom again. What are we having for breakfast? And I'm sick. I need medicine. Oh no, sweetie, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Ooh, could I actually have some mushroom? Some like delicious. So I want like some mocha special icy latte and a fish. So we got a salad, not too big, at least a croissant. Would that be out? Yes, totally. Alright, I'll just make some hot cocoa, you know. Okay. It's time to make this for her. Open the fridge. Let's see what we have for. I'll cook her some eggs and bacon. I'll cook some eggs and bacon for her. Sorry about that. Eggs and bacon, so it's already a stove. I'll just chop this. There you go. Cook it up. Cook a little. I'll get some pancakes for the twins. And now I'm just gonna get this for her. Actually, I'll get this for Dad. My husband, I'll get these. So I'll get pancakes. All of my printer's notifications. Bro. I think I should change this. I'll go buy a new one later. Let's just get these for the twins. Oh my god. Lately, why have the kitchen been so messy? I'm kind of disappointed of how messy it had become. I'll give this to the blue one for her. She likes it like this, so I'm gonna give that to her. Well, to Fairy. Alright. I'll also give this to Emma. Put some syrup on the head over there. I'll give it this chocolate cocoa and some coffee drips. It's time I'm gonna just warm up the milk for Aja. And that is finished. Watch out, here you go. Take off the pinky. Alright, here you go, please. Yum, delicious. And my dear, for the toy. We're here for Emma's. I can also put strawberries on hers. I'm gonna cut that up. Let's cut some strawberries. There you go. I made Emma's. I'll put Emma's over here. They'll give her a hot chocolate. Okay, I'll put the hot cocoa in. Put the hot cocoa in. Oh, close the fridge. Put the hot cocoa in. Alright, I'm done. I also want a honey bee giver. Add some of that in. Let's put the pots there. Add some of the hot cocoa there. I'll just leave that for now. Alright. It's not a crazy amount of food. Actually, it's just 2 mini sandwiches on one side. Here you go. Here's your breakfast. Aw, thank you, Mom. This looks delicious. Alright. It's ready. Okay, I'll just wait for them. Alright, come on, I smell breakfast. Yay! Me too. I hope I don't get a boring pancake like last time. Come on, it's funny. We two getting food. Oh, come on. Whoa, they look amazing. I'm guessing this is wrong. I'm guessing this one. Yeah. Hey, what is this getting? Better thing than you. Wow, she's sick. She gets better treatment. And you fix sick, then it's not gonna be fun. You're really sick. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you that. Oh my gosh, actually I'm happy with what I got now. Yes, here you go. Here's mine. Here, why did I get just that? You have more, don't worry. What? Yes, okay. Got some milk and some grapes. Here you go. Why you got that? Well, see, I don't have anything bad. It's made of milk. Yes, it's not cotton candy. It's a milk container. Guys, just pretend so. Oh, fine. I didn't even eat breakfast. I guess I'll just go with some chicken. I literally have no choice. Oh, she accidentally ate it. I'm gonna pretend like that never happened. Okay, I got some chicken and lettuce. So I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna make it. This one I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So time to dig in. Alright. This is so good. Cool, I'm finished. I just have my drink left. Yep, I'm finished too. I just put this over here. You guys know, I'm still eating. Alright, milk butter. Oh, I'm finished now. Come on, let's just put them all the way up here. Pretend like nothing happened. Then, gotta put my plate away real good there. This is so good. I'm gonna get cozy here. Okay, I'll just sit up here. Is that good, guys? Yeah, you're still good. Yes, thank you, Mama. I gotta watch some TV. Come on, let's watch some news. Oh, good news, that's a word. I'm sorry, honey, but that's even worse. What? We have to learn about the news. Okay, geez. Okay, let's watch it about the news. Here's the news. This is live TV news. There is a thunderstorm going to happen in right now, and it's happening in USA and United States of America. What? What? In Texas, and that's if you live there, watch out, because there is going to be a thunderstorm, snowstorm. You guys have to be so careful, or else you will die. And that's for watching, and bye. What? I told you watching the news. I told you watching the news. I told you watching the news. I told you watching the news was great. Yeah. We have to be safe. We are not safe at all. Yeah, we're not safe. Well, we have an attic. Yes, everyone. Please. Wait a minute. What? Oh my god. Wait. Oh no. It's starting to snow. Oh my god. It's so cold. No, right? What do we do now? There's literally a snowstorm happening. Or some snowstorm happening. You expect us? For some hot cocoa. Okay. But this is serious. Yeah, I guess it is pretty serious. What is it, Gypsy? Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Oh no. I'm gonna check the news. Check the news. Oh my god. This is crazy. We have to go to the attic immediately. Don't pack anything. Okay, fine. Okay. Everyone's get in the elevator. Okay. Wait for me. Wait for us, stupid. Carry your phone. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Wait for us. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Okay, we're all in now. And guys, this is the attic, okay? Just pretend that we're not in their room. Oh, this is so cold. Oh, sorry, I just wanted to. I'm gonna put her to bed. I'm gonna put out down to bed. Good night. Oh, ciao. Oh, ciao. Okay. Now, how are we gonna have a bed to sleep in? I don't know. Fine, let the twins sleep. I call the bed. I say that none of us sleep. Let's Gia sleep. Because she is really sick. We don't want her to become more sick. Oh, thank you. Everyone agrees. Except for Gio. I don't think we need to. Why, Gio? Because she doesn't the bed. Ow, ouch, hey. What was that for? Well, you did not want to. Like, you didn't let me. Whatever. Everyone, stay back. Baby star, baby star. Dog suddenly speaks English. You cannot mess with my family, you stupid, ugly, freaking zombies. What the heck? Get away from my family, you ugly, stupid zombies. I hope you're safe, guys. Thank you so much for saving us. Are you okay? And that's sorry. Okay, so that's the end of today's roleplay. And have a night or day. Stay safe and healthy.